Very good morning, student. Today we do valence the equation by ion electron method. How do we valence redox reaction equation by ion electron method? Okay. Now see this equation: I2 iodine 2 plus OH negative hydroxyl ion give rise to iodine O3 negative plus I negative plus water. Okay, now it is the reaction. How to it balanced by ion electron method? Let's see. First of you take oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction, in this equation you see whose oxidation occur and whose reduction occur. You see here I2 converted into IO3 negative. In this case its oxidation will take place when we find out the oxidation number of this IO3 negative, in which iodine it's plus 5, and here oxidation number is 0 to plus 5. It means loss of electron, it means oxidation will take place here. So this is the oxidation half reaction. You know very well how to find out this oxidation number. You know that now. Now this oxygen have -2, okay, IO3 negative. Okay, suppose we find the oxidation number of iodine. Suppose it's X. So X plus the oxidation number of oxygen is -2, 3. It means -6 is equal to -1. Okay, X, this is the -6 is equal to -1. X is equal to -1 plus 6 is equal to 5 plus 5. Now in this way we find the oxidation number of iodine, that is plus 5. Okay, next is the reduction half reaction. Whose reduction occur? I2 to I negative. It gain the electron, it means its reduction occur. Okay, so next, first of all we take balance the oxidation half reaction. First of all you balance the number of iodine, here 2, so we multiply this IO3 with 2. Okay, now here number of electron of iodine is 0, and here there are 10 electron. Okay, there are plus 5. The 2 iodine means it have 1 iodine have plus 5 electron and 2 iodine have 10 electron. So to balance this equation, both side we write 10 electron into right hand side. Okay, so because we write here 10 electron on right hand side, because it lose the 10 electron and it become neutral, it's balance the equation on both side. Since this reaction take place in alkaline medium, here we add 6 water molecule. 6 water molecule. Why we add 6 water molecule here? You see that here are 6 oxygen. So for the addition of 6 balance these 6 oxygen, we add here 6 water molecule on right hand side. 6 water molecule on right hand side, and it means there are 12 hydroxyl ion added in left hand side to balance this equation. Now in this way we balance the half reaction, oxidation half reaction. Next is how to balance reduction half reaction. You see I02 to I negative. Now here are 2 iodine atom and here are only 1 iodine, so we write here 2 to balance both side. Now here it have 2 electron, it means it gain 2 electron, so it carries charge minus, so it add gain 2 electron to balance this equation. Now see, now add these two equation. there are 10 electrons, there are only 2 electrons, so we multiply this second equation by 5. Okay, so both reactions have 10 electrons, so these 10 electrons are cancelled out. So here iodine is 2 is 1 and here 5, it means 6 iodine 2 plus 12 OH negative give rise to 10 I negative, 2 IO3 negative and 6 water. In this way we balance this equation by ion electron method. Okay.